Hello and welcome to this week's vlog. I'm glad you're watching. Thank you so much for the support that you've given me for the last 3 videos that I've been able to upload on this YouTube channel. Let's learn and grow together. Keep supporting me, keep subscribing, share, and yeah, I'm excited and really eager to share more stuff with you, and I hope we learn and grow together. Today I'm sharing a quick tip of how I love to plant live plants that I have in the house. I don't really like to see the swell on my jars whenever I want to put the flowers on top of my surfaces. So I have a quick tip of how you can do this, even if you're putting the flowers or the plants on your garden, if you're putting them on your balcony, if you're putting them on the kitchen surfaces or even the sitting room. They'll still look glamorous, you know, they look more cleaner, neat, and yeah, it's a quick tip I learned from my friend, so I thought why not share it here with you. I'm so excited, and let's quickly jump into it and see what we do and what we get. Thank you. So I'm here and I just want to introduce to you what I have. I have the plant. I'm gonna link up the name of this plant in the description box below because that'll be by now. So I also have this jar. I have literally done a simple DIY on it. I have tried to, you know, do some design on it. It's just some stripes to bring some good contrast to it, and you know, yeah. So I also have the level of the soil and where I want the level to be. I have a couple of items that you're gonna need to dress up this plant. I have some white marbles here. I have some nets. You need some cotton wool or just some these you know, these soft looking items. Then I have a pair of scissors, and I have a net here, a yellow net or whatever other net that you can find. This is basically the net that wraps up fruits in the supermarket, or potatoes or sweet potatoes. Then I'm gonna have maybe a pair of gloves. If you mind getting your hands dirty, then you can wear a pair of gloves, and if you don't mind, you can go ahead and use your hands as they are. So I just gonna quickly put these gloves just to protect a little bit of my nails. I'll just put the gloves on one. It's just about it. So the next step is gonna be getting these nets, and the net is round. I think it's even pretty big, so let's it can just unroll. So this one we just gonna roll this down here. Don't worry, even if everything doesn't lie flat on your plant, this is gonna help if the plant dies. But don't get me wrong, I'm not planning to kill my plant, but just in case the plant dies, then you can simply collect your marbles and you know, and use the marbles somewhere else. So the knot is in, it's just here, so it's easier then to collect your marbles. I have the white marbles, so simply that, and pour generously the marbles. So you can keep adding the marbles as much as you like, but mine, I like them like that. That's the finished DIY marbled up plant. Tell me it doesn't look nice. So even if I wanted to put these on my kitchen surface, or maybe even in my sitting room on top of a nice table, or maybe on top of you know, those decorating tables on the side, so it's gonna look awesome. What do you think? Is it a tip worth learning? I'm free. Obviously, I also used the same technique. I dressed it up and then I put the marble. So just watering it is easy and it looks so nice. I can move it around the house. I can put it on the table. I can put it on the floor, and it doesn't look awful at all. So when it comes, we just go ahead and water them a little bit, you know, and somehow they're gonna retain the moisture, so they won't end up drying up even if you forgot or you travel and you're not able to water them as much as you'd love to. So yeah, there you go, and that's a quick DIY. I'm gonna leave out the link of where I bought this pot. This one, I guess I bought it at Thika Road somewhere along Survey. There's a lady who keeps them and she can paint them the color you like. So I anyhow bought it and painted it for myself, white, and then a bit of the gold accent here. So this one I did it from a tin that I had in my house. So I quickly just did a simple DIY here, and I gave it this hint of the stripe, and I think it looks pretty good. So yeah, that's it guys, and send me your pictures if you're able to do this DIY in your house, and also let me know other tips and tricks that you do in your house to keep your plants looking awesome. Well, that's all I had for you guys. I hope you loved this video, and if you did, kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, like, share, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye guys.